folks, it's Nessa, Infinitely Zero's channel here. So I wanted to show you what I got for the Mary Maxim Quarterly Afghan Kit Crochet Club. And this is what I got for the last quarter. So pretty much how that subscription, so it's for Afghan kits, Afghan, you know, being a blanket. And so you sign up for it. It's not monthly, it's quarterly, which means you get a kit every 3 months, which is 4 times a year. And I signed up in the second quarter of this year, so this is my third one, but it's the one for the fourth quarter. It comes out to $33 without counting their shipping. And then their shipping and handling fee is $4.99, which is an extra $5. So the whole thing comes out to about $38, $37.98. So I wanted to show what I got this month. So it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big skeins of the Bernat blanket yarn. I'm not very thrilled that they did not give us a Mary Maxim pattern, and instead they gave us a, Yarn Inspiration patterns, which are free on your Inspiration site. So pretty much the main thing you're paying for this kit was, the cool plastic bag and the yarn, and them shipping it to you. So here is like for 2024, the 09 I think is September, and then CR means crochet, so that's the pattern they included. It's the Bernat herringbone crochet blanket. It's classified as an intermediate skill level. So I guess it's supposed to look like that, which is a pretty busy yarn, so I don't know that the stitch is you're gonna really be able to see the stitch very well. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to actually use this pattern or not for this yarn, or if I like to make, I sometimes make Tunisian blankets with my blanket yarn. Like I have one for the doggy and he loves it and he uses it, and I've made baby blankets, and I made one for my dad too, so anyways, now to show you the yarn that came with it. Yeah, it's definitely 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 skeins. So that should be enough. I think I've made them before with like 6 skeins of yarn, or like 4 or 5 for a baby blanket. These are the bigger skeins. So your Inspirations Bernat blanket yarn. Honestly, that Crochet Hibernate blanket looks really nice, the one they have there on the label. Looks nice and simple to work up. And I guess that one takes 4 balls. This one, this herringbone crochet blanket, I guess they made it with this yarn, which is Moon Dusk. And the finished size of the blanket is 43 inches by 60 inches. So it's a pretty big sized blanket. So yes, this colorway is called Moon Dusk. It's classified as a super bulky, which is a weight 6 category yarn. They recommend an 8mm US 11 knitting needles, or 8mm US L 11 crochet hook. I usually use a bigger crochet hook, either a 9mm, 10mm, all the way up to 13mm, depending what I'm doing. And it is machine washable and dryable. It's 100% polyester. It's 10.5 ounces or 300 grams. Each skein has 220 yards or 201 meters. So it's the 10.5 ounces, because they also sometimes have the smaller skeins, which are only 2 or 3 ounces, which have like half of the yardage. They only have like 100 yards. So yeah, it's a pretty like kind of like a mauve color, and you know, like a burgundy, and then like a lighter burgundy, which would be that mauve, and then a darker blue with like a lighter blue. So it's pretty. It doesn't really match the colors here in my house, but oh well. But yeah, and you all know, you know, the blanket yarn has been around for a while. So, and I always love these bags that come with it. So yeah, so I thought I'd show that to you. I just got it pretty much the first week of November. I just got this. By the time I release this video, might be a few days later, which is why I decided to say like kind of the first week of November. So I'm gonna try to put spoiler in the title in case you didn't want to see, but I know I love to see what other people get. So I'm gonna put the Mary Maxim surprise bags or mystery bags that I got in the beginning of November before this video, because it's just easier for people to go ahead and buy that if they really like that. And yeah, they can always subscribe to this later, and depending where it is within the quarter, they may or may not get this exact kit. So thank you so much, my return watchers and subscribers, and new watchers and subscribers as well. And if you're not subscribed, it's free. Please click like, and you can also click the subscribe button if you like my content. Thank you so much. And wanted to make a quick announcement. The make along crochet giveaway is still going on. That is what is it? The date I have that for that is November 26th. Please check out that video for all the details. I'm not going to rehash all of that here on this video. And also, they're still accepting the donation items. I've been working on a lot of those for the folks out in Western North Carolina and Asheville. And I have a video that I also put out of that a few weeks ago. Okay, folks, thank you so much. Every little bit counts, even if it's one, or even if it's you just sharing out the video, that video. So thank you so much. Have a great night or day. Bye.